So if you want to send the bike by the train, you can do it. Here in Bangkok, name?
บางกอกอภิวัตรกรุงเทพอภิวัตร
Okay. So this train station here in Bangkok is huge. So it's very hard to know where to go. And I called the train station for some information, and then they say go to gate number 4 to buy a ticket. And that's actually not true. I need to go to another place. I will show you. Let's see. Yes, so I will save you a lot of time. Just follow my instruction. Let's go. Let's see. Here?
Go here
I don't know, maybe. Maybe not.
what
You cannot come up there. Maybe. Yeah, is that the counter? Go and ask what we do. So the counter is over there. Okay.
จบไปจบไป
So, okay, looks like go in here or maybe not. Next. Very go in there. Can't. No sign. No sign for nothing. You're over there. Yeah. Here's the place you deliver the bike.
right here
Yeah. I don't know. I think it's here. Hua Hin. Here?
Hua Hin no สวนปฏิพัฒน์สวนปฏิพัฒน์ no station Hua Hin
No?
yes สวนปฏิพัฒน์
Son Sodipat station after?
yes ticket number 2
Gate number 2.
yes ก็ได้ใบหมด
Okay.
มาเกือบเลยกันทาง
So you drop the bike here, and then we'll pack it.
นี้9 โมง 10 โมงไปรับเลยบอกใครไปรับให้ใครไปรับผมครับ
Then here's the place you pay for it to transport. And desk number 2. Desk number 3 is the way you pick up your bike if you send it to Bangkok. This is in the right side of the Bang Su Grand Station. See this, and the tent, they pack the bag, and here is the counter for pay for the bike and have your copy of your green book and your passport or driving license. Yes. So here is actually where you need to drop your bike, and after you pay the ticket for the, you need to strap this to the mirror so they know where to ship it. But this time I didn't have time to strap it because the train is already here, so that's a little pity. But let's see when it comes to its destination, and I hope it still look good. Yeah. So this is a very slow train. So this will go from Bangkok to Hua Hin. It takes 6.5 hours. It's a very slow train. So you see the tent over there. This is where you strap the bike if you here in time. You need to be here before 12 o'clock. Now the time is actually, you need to be here before. Now it's 11:21 and the train is already here. So 10 o'clock will be a good time to be here, I think. Then you have time to strap, protect your bike. You need to go on this side of the road. This is very hard to find. I will see if I can put a Google Map link in subscription, so it can help you to find the road, because I use from the train or station over there and to come here I used 1 hour or something to find out how to come on this road. So yeah, this will be maybe a helpful video for you if you want to send your bike to some destination. Yeah, let's see how it goes when I come to Hua Hin. So if you book ticket to yourself, you book it in the inside the train station, and you can sit down and have some food here in the entrance. They have a lot of food for even Western people also. So find something here. Enjoy your trip. So I paid under 100 baht for chicken nuggets, 6 or 5 or 6 pieces, and a small burger. How much you pay for your?
65.
65 baht for this. So it's not expensive. Pepsi, pay 18 baht. Yes, for me it's different, because I not take the train myself. I only send the bike with the train, and then we driving to Hua Hin ourselves, because I have a lot of luggage. So yeah, it's more convenient. All right. So this time we drive to Hua Hin, and it's about 3-hour drive from Bangkok. The road here is pretty okay, but the traffic can be very pushing sometimes. fast. Some cars drive very slow. The slow one is of course the big trucks. So, and some car is very heavy, loaded. Need to be careful. So the trip is going well so far. Going to pick up the motorbike at the station after Hua Hin, because the delivery for the motorbike will not happen in Hua Hin. So we need to go to the station after Hua Hin. They will drop the bike there, and then pick it up from there, and then go back to Hua Hin. About 9 kilometers from Hua Hin, the next station. And the station name, what was it?
Swanson.
Huh?
Swanson.
Suwanswat.
Swanson.
Suwanson?
Yes,
Okay.
Swanson.
Suwanson. Station after Hua Hin. That's the station you can pick up the bike if you send it from Bangkok to Hua Hin. Alright, that's it. See you later. Alright, one other thing I forgot to say is that when you want to drive in Thailand, it's important that you have a international driving license for the license you have in your country. It means if you have motorbike license in your country, you need to have international driving license for that. For me, it's like enough in my country. I just order it from there. It cost me on 200-300 kron, and they will send it to me within only 1 week or something. And same in your country, I guess it's similar. Easy to get. Just send your picture and copy of your driving license, and send it to this. For me, it was enough, and they will return my license, my international license to me, and then I can travel driving in Thailand. You get for 3 years. 3 years you can have this international. You can choose by 1 year or 3 years, but Thailand accepts 3 years. So you can do 3 years. If you stay longer, then if you live in Thailand, you have a condo here or you live here, you need to take, because if you stay longer than 3 months, you need to take Thailand driving license, because the international license, for what I heard, is only value for 3 months when you're here. If you go out of country and get into the country again, you have 3 more months. But if you stay here for a half year, without go out of the country, you can get into trouble. This is what I heard. So I think it's legit. So, but you can check it for yourself. But it's pretty sure this is how it is. This trailer want to crash into me. That's not good. I think we changed the line. Yeah. Okay. Let him go. Yes. The bike I sent it with the train. It's a RX 155cc. It cost me from Bangkok to Hua Hin. It cost me 860 baht. Was it?
70.
870 baht to send it from Bangkok didn't wrap my bike because I was too late. The train go 12 o'clock. I was there around 11 o'clock, 11:30. So they didn't have time to wrap it up. So they put it in the train without any protection. So I hope that will be okay when I get it back. So if you want to wrap it up, I didn't check the price yet, but I will come back to this. We will give you the information about it. So you know. This video I will make because I struggle so bad today. I used so many hours to find out everything about this, so to send the bike, and so I will make it easy for you guys if you want to do something like this. At least you will have a little bit knowledge about this. So yeah, there you go. I will come back to how much the wrapping is. I will think maybe 200-300 bucks, but I will tell you later. All right. See you later. Yes. Oh, I forgot the sign. Okay. Let's do the sign so you see where it is, where you can get it, where you pick it up. This train station. And here my receipt. And then where? Let's see. There it is. There it is. Yeah. Good. There it is. Send it. So far the bike look the same. Cannot see any scratches so far. So okay, so the man who delivered to me, he asked for 20 baht for service for bring it here. So that's all in all will be 890 baht. Look here, folks. Thailand is a lot of motorbike. This is the center in Hua Hin, and for sure you see this floor is for motorbikes, so there is a lot. And my motorbike standing there, shiny. All right, let's go back to my